Do you want to rank higher and get selected in top colleges of India? We have a solution for it. New batches are starting for IIT JEE and NEET in #1 exam preparation institute of Gondia. Don't miss out this opportunity. Join our expert-led batches starting from the 8th of April, the 16th of April, the 26th of April. Experience the power of knowledge with our expert faculty who are dedicated to sculpting your academic brilliance. We provide you with a positive learning environment for every student with our separate libraries for boys and girls. At Careerxone, we believe in personal guidance and mentorship. If you have any doubt related to any subject, we help you to solve them. Our test papers and scores are not just numbers. They are reflections of your progress and potential. Join our extensive new batches. Enroll now for IIT JEE and NEET exam preparation with Careerxone. Contact us today.